If you want to try this one on your own, go ahead and pause the video, but I'm going to jump into it in 3, 2, 1. I've got a circle with an area of 36 pi. I also know that there's an equilateral triangle inscribed in this circle. We want to know what is the length of arc AB. Well, since I know it's an equilateral triangle, I know that all 3 chords of this circle are going to be congruent. Congruent chords are going to give me congruent arcs. So arc AB, if I call that x, every other arc that's formed with a congruent chord is going to have a measure x. So that means that AC is going to have a measure x and BC is going to have a measure of x. So now if I look at the circumference of this circle, the entire circumference of the circle was broken down into these 3 x's. So I can say that 3x equals the circumference of my circle. Well, unfortunately, they didn't give me circumference, they gave me area, but I can kind of work backwards a little bit to find my circumference. Since I know that area is 36 pi, then I also know that pi r squared is 36 pi, because that's just the formula for area. So let me solve for my radius. Since radius can't be negative, when I take the positive and negative square root of 36, I'm only interested in my positive 6. Now, since I know the radius, I can use that to find my circumference. Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi times your radius. So here, circumference is 2 pi times 6, which would be 12 pi. So now that I know circumference, let's go back and plug that in way back here. 3 of those arcs x is going to make up your entire circumference of 12 pi. So let's solve for x by just dividing by 3. And x is going to equal 4 pi. So then the length of arc AB is 4 pi. And that is all.